Hey everyone, welcome back to Ranch Life. So today I have the Christmas Clean and Decorate with me, and this is going to be it for Christmas, y'all. I might throw a little bit here and there, but for the most part, Christmas decorating is done, and now I can just enjoy the season. I wanted it to be very cozy and comfortable and Christmassy, so I definitely got that, and I just needed to clean up before I started. This was the day after Thanksgiving, and I needed to get everything situated and cleaned up. I had crates that my mother-in-law had brought me of Christmas decor. We had been shopping for more Christmas decor, so it was a lot of stuff, and I needed to get everything put up. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and clean up in here, and then I'm going to start decorating, and I'm just going to take y'all along with me and show y'all how I'm doing some things. I'll come on every now and then and talk to y'all, but for the most part, I'm just going to let some music play. No, it's not really Christmas music, but y'all know how I do. I like my songs, and that's what I'm going to play while we decorate.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. A 24-hour streak, wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
I am loving the Miss Myers pine scent. I got it the other day, and oh, it smells so good. I got the hand soap and the multi-surface cleaner, and it literally smells like pine. I'm in love with it. So anyway, I'm just using that to clean almost everything today. So I just love the smell, and I wanted the house to smell Christmassy. I also have some apple cinnamon going in the burner over there, so I really like that smell too, especially on the around the holidays. So anyway, that's just some of the things that I got going on. I'm sorry, I know y'all love that song, and I'll get right back to it, but this is a DIY that I did, and it was from the Dollar Tree, and it was just 2 plates and a glass bowl, and then 2 glasses, and I just kind of formed a little stand using E6000 glue, and now I'm just going to decorate it. I'm just putting random stuff in here. You can make one of these like nothing, anybody can do it, and just decorate it however you feel it'll look nice, and I really like the way mine came out.
Nothing's gonna bring me down. You don't have to stick around. We're tangled as we touch the ground with no sound. Oh, nothing's gonna bring me down. You don't have to stick around.
And as always, y'all see me doing stuff and it will change. So be sure to stay to the after part because, of course, this all changes a little bit. Not the tree, but we add a lot more stuff. I take down the "there's no place like home" sign. And yeah, so you'll see the difference just in a few minutes.
I remember you as you want me to. No regrets, so I really do care for you. You're not my remedy, not my enemy, but still in my memory you belong. Don't you see? Love turns into fear, and it won't just disappear. And I don't know how to get out of this place we're making here. And you act as if
So that's about it for today, guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope it got you motivated. I hope I inspired you. And, you know, a lot of y'all say that y'all wish y'all could decorate like me, and believe me when I say all of us have a gift, and that's what we're celebrating. This Christmas is our gifts that were given to us. So anyway, I will see y'all in the next one. Please take care of each other, and I love y'all, and talk to y'all guys later. Bye, guys.
I've been going through changes,